Last year's raised bed is now full of weeds and grass, so it's cleanup time. You can remove the weeds using tools, or just your hands. Honestly, my hands are my best gardening tool. Once all the weeds are out, the raised bed looks neat and fresh again. The next step is, I lay down a weed barrier fabric to prevent new weeds and grass from coming back. I fill the bed with a rich soil and compost mix, and boost it with worm castings and azomite rock dust for extra nutrients. Mix it all together thoroughly. Before planting, I like to place the plant cups over the bed to plan the spacing. Once I'm happy with the layout, I dig holes and add a handful of organic fertilizer along with some biotone starter to each one. This helps the seedlings transplant successfully and grow strong. Finally, don't forget to water your plants thoroughly. Hydration is key for happy, healthy growth. Like, share and subscribe.